Let's talk about New York. New York City has the largest population in the United States. New York City is made up of 5 areas called boroughs. The most famous is Manhattan. The Statue of Liberty stands in New York Harbor. It is a symbol of freedom. Times Square is a bright and busy area. It is full of large screens, shops, and theaters. Central Park is a large green park in the middle. Millions of people walk, run, and relax there. The Empire State Building is one of the tallest buildings. You can go to the top and see the whole city. New York has many world-class museums. The Metropolitan Museum of Art is very large. New York is famous for its pizza, bagels, and hot dogs. Broadway is famous for its theater shows. Visitors watch musicals and plays there. Yellow taxis are a symbol of New York City. You raise your hand to stop one on the street. The New York City subway runs 24 hours a day. It is the busiest subway in America. New York is home to people from all over. Over 200 languages are spoken in New York. New York City never seems to sleep. There is always something happening, day or night. New York is loud, exciting, and full of energy. There is no other place quite like it.